of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test. Better late than never. Better to see your doctor late than...
My sage didn't get it again. I'm pissed.
Oh crap, my camera's zoomed in.
Alright, so...
Well, my sage didn't get it. So I have to find audio for it. Oh hey. Oh hey.
Yeah,
Oh no.
I'm not
I have
with
to find
these
audio.
two... I'm not with these two Pittsburgh devious boyos.
Anthony also known as Pittsburgh EAS.
RCT32165 here along with...
It's a 413.
Anthony also known as Pittsburgh EAS.
And we are clearly just captured all the Kdka tests together. So,
Yeah. So lastly, I was joined by these two devious people.
RCT32165.
That's season 413.
Okay. And, as you guys can see, my stage did not get the test. Son of a bitch.
Anyway,
And
RCT3, dude,
because
I'm
audio
out.
for it,